Case study: Rajesh Jaiswal vs Mamta Jaiswal. In this video, we will discuss the aforementioned case study. Rajesh Jaiswal and Mamta Jaiswal are a married couple who got married in 2009. They lived together for some time, but due to irreconcilable differences, they started living separately. In 2015, Rajesh filed a divorce petition against Mamta under the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, citing cruelty and desertion. In this case study, we will discuss the facts of the case, the legal issues involved, and the court's decision. Facts of the case. Rajesh Jaiswal, the petitioner, submitted that he and Mamta Jaiswal were married on 5th of May 2009 and lived together for a brief period. However, due to certain differences, they started living separately in 2012. Rajesh stated that Mamta did not take care of him and his family members and started misbehaving with them. Rajesh further alleged that Mamta was having an extramarital affair with another man, which caused him mental agony and led to the breakdown of their marriage. Mamta Jaiswal, the respondent, denied all the allegations made by Rajesh. She stated that Rajesh and his family members used to torture her physically and mentally, and she had to leave their home to save herself. She also submitted that Rajesh had filed false cases against her and her family members to harass them. Legal issues involved. The main legal issue involved in this case was whether the allegations made by Rajesh Jaiswal against Mamta Jaiswal were sufficient to grant him a divorce on the grounds of cruelty and desertion. Another issue was whether the allegations made by Mamta Jaiswal against Rajesh Jaiswal were sufficient to grant her relief. Court's decision. After hearing both parties and considering the evidence presented, the family court held that the allegations made by Rajesh Jaiswal against Mamta Jaiswal were not sufficient to grant him a divorce on the grounds of cruelty and desertion. The court also found that the allegations made by Mamta Jaiswal against Rajesh Jaiswal were baseless and without merit. The court observed that the couple's differences were not irreconcilable and there was a possibility of reconciliation. Therefore, the court directed both parties to attend counseling sessions to try and resolve their differences. The court also directed Mamta to return to Rajesh's house and start living with him again. However, Mamta Jaiswal challenged this decision in the High Court. The High Court held that the family court's decision was erroneous and set it aside. The High Court observed that the allegations made by Rajesh Jaiswal were sufficient to grant him a divorce on the grounds of cruelty and desertion. The High Court also directed Mamta Jaiswal to pay Rajesh a monthly maintenance allowance. Let's come to the conclusion now. The case of Rajesh Jaiswal vs Mamta Jaiswal highlights the importance of understanding the grounds for divorce. Under the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 and presenting sufficient evidence to support those grounds. It also highlights the importance of counseling and reconciliation in divorce cases. The court's decision, in this case, demonstrates that the evidence presented by both parties is critical to the outcome of the case. and this case is also of the special type wherein the Honorable High Court also directed Mamta Jaiswal to pay Rajesh a monthly maintenance allowance.